Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very happy to share a recipe that's close to my heart, full of bold flavors. It's Mangalore special Paneer Urval. We'll start with marinating our paneer. In a mixing bowl, take 200 gram paneer, add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, salt to taste, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, mix everything well. This helps the paneer to soak up all those yummy flavors. We'll keep this aside for around 20 minutes. Next we'll prepare our spice paste. We are going to use those bright red badgi chilies and some creamy cashews. We'll boil them until they are nice and soft. Then blend them into smooth fine paste with some tamarind. Next, it's time to bring everything together. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon of butter and add 1 big onion finely chopped. Saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Next to this, add our ground spice paste. Add little water and cook everything together on medium heat until butter oozes out from the mixture. It's time to add our marinated paneer. Adjust the salt if required, and to balance out all the flavors, add a big tablespoon of jaggery. Cover and cook for about 10 minutes on low-medium heat until the paneer absorbs all those yummy flavors. Continue cooking until the paneer becomes nice and dry. For the final garnish, take a tablespoon of ghee in a pan, add 1 badgi chili, 8 to 10 cashews and some fresh curry leaves. And ghee roast everything on low heat until cashews become nice golden brown. Now we'll add this to our paneer mixture. That's it, our Paneer Urval is ready to be enjoyed. It is a super spicy starter. Also you can have this with roti, naan, etc. Thanks for joining us today. If you are excited as we are about Paneer Urval, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your fellow foodies, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.